I accidentally put the laundry detergent in the fabric softener dispenser. Now what?
Hello, thanks for letting us answer your questions. We appreciate your business. Sorry to hear about your mistake, but it is not really a big deal. Just add a little more water if there is room in the dispenser and run the washer through a couple of empty cycles using the warm water options if you have them. The detergent should clear out without a problem. You may have to do it a couple of times to make sure it is clear.
I've already added the Resolve Stain Remover Powder to basin, plus the bleach to the bleach dispenser. What would happen if I washed the clothes with it in it? My mistake.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.